In a map work exercise, hikers are required to walk from a pre-mark A on the map to another mark B, which lies 5 kilometers due east of A. They then move in a straight line to a waterfall C, which has a component measured from B 2 kilometers east and 6 kilometers north. Question A. Draw clearly and label a vector displacement diagram for the whole journey. 2. What would be the total distance to be covered by hikers? So this is the question that we are going to consider in this video. So they cover this distance measured from east of B, as in going to the eastern direction, and covering this in the northern direction as they search for waterfalls. Now, we are going to draw the diagram. So the data that we have, let us come up with the data first of all. Yes, east, 2 kilometers east, and 6 kilometers north. So this is the information that we have. Now let us see, draw. So we have a point, which is point A, and point B. So this is A, this is B. So we have 5 kilometers here. Then also C, point C, there is 2 kilometers here. And then the final point, let us call it P, which is 6 kilometers. Now, we need to draw clearly and label a displacement diagram for the whole journey. So let me just erase the first part as we solve the question. So for the first part, we are going to draw and label. So we have point A here, then B. So we have A, B. This is 5 kilometers. Then C lies 2 kilometers away in the same direction. So this is the point C. Then we have 6 kilometers in the northern direction. 6 kilometers. So let's call this as point B. Now, so the resultant of this will be this. That would be the resultant. So moving from this point to this point, moving to this point to this point, and coming to this, we have this resultant. Now, from this, again, there's this point, 5 kilometers, and this one, there is a route that can be taken, which is this. And let us call this distance D. So from this, since we're looking at hikers, we will not pass through this point, but we'll come from this point to this point and get into this point. So since this is a right-angled triangle, we can find D. D is going to be, so this one is going to be 2. So this one will be 2 squared plus 6 squared. So if we do this, we're going to find D is equal to square root of 4 plus this one is 36. So 4 plus 36, we get a 40 here. So our D is equal to square root of 40. Now, from this, we are going to draw and label. To draw and label clearly. So this one, we can erase this since we have found the shortest route. So the displacement vector will be this. So from this point, we have this, then we have this, which is the square root of 40. So we can even punch on a calculator to find the square root to find this one. So this is the vector diagram. So since it is just a diagram, we can say, so this one, this is the displacement, diagram. So from this, we are also taught to find the total distance. The total distance that will be taken by the hikers. So this one, we know that total distance is the distance from this point to this point, then moving from this to this, which is simply the resultant. So resultant distance or resultant will be equal to AB plus AB plus BP. So here we have 5 kilometers plus square root of 40, which will give us